Okay, Microsoft is identifying compatibility issue with that Windows 11 version 2.4 H2 version. So they will initially release emergency update called KB this number. So it will fix the issues. So you can check and install the revised update, that is this one. To do that, first you need to check your computer meets the compatibility requirements. That means you have to TPM 2.0 and secure boot is enabled in your BIOS setting, and you should update your drivers to latest version, your graphic card and network drives kind of things, and you have to disable your third-party virus guard software and anti-cheat related software kind of things. Then after, you can go to start menu, go to setting, scroll down and come to the troubleshoot option. Tap on other troubleshooters, tap on run option, check is there any Windows update related issues. It will show this there is a error happened. If it is not, it will show all the issues are fixed. Then after, you can open your browser. In here you need to type Microsoft update catalog, not Microsoft Windows update catalog, and tap on search. Then after, go to first option, Microsoft update catalog. In here you can manually type that KB number. In this case it is KB 5063060. Tap on search. So you can see this is the update. You can use that one. Just tap on download option. So then after, you can manually install on your computer and you can restart your computer. If it is not working, again you need to open your browser, type Windows 11 download, hit enter. Go to the Windows download 11 their official website, scroll down and you can choose Windows 11 disk image file. Tap on drop down, tap on Windows 11 multi edition, tap on confirm. It will validate your request. Select your language, in this case it is English. Tap on confirm, tap on 64-bit download. So you can see it is downloading right now. It is around 5.4 gigabytes. Wait for download complete. Then after, you can install it using your USB drive. In my channel there are 2 videos available to how to install using this ISO file to your USB drive. You can watch that video. So these are the method you can try to fix that specific Windows 11 version is not working. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video.